Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel, Forex Governor. I want to welcome you on my favorite video, my favorite trading YouTube channel. I'd like to share with you the content you will not find out somewhere. We have trillion trading strategies, trillion trading indicators, but all those strategies and indicators, they are being manipulated. By the way, there is no any trading strategy. There is no any trading strategy, my fellow trader, that is 100%. I want first comments with that. There's no any trading strategy that is 100%, because this market, as Forex market, is controlled by the dealers. A dealer is having instructions from the bank, from the hedge fund, we need this amount of money. Even though their strategy is 100%, and this is what we expect. When these people that are driving or moving the market and the liquidity they have is not enough, they evaluate that strategy altogether. So a dealer always makes candlesticks violated. All patterns in the market, doji, engulfing candle, whatever, they are violated. It's morning star, evening star, head and shoulder, what. Let's first have this one. You shall know that everything is violated by the dealers. We have this is inverted head and shoulder here. Altogether, this is what inverted head and shoulder, but has been violated. Altogether, it has been violated. Why? There is no much liquidity or money that is required in the market by the banks or hedge funds. So the dealer creates these ones, induce retailers to enter the market, and then they go against them. But however, it is you to know, how can I trade with a dealer in the market, or I can trade with banks. I getting the market is moved by the orders of the banks and hedge funds against the retailers. Altogether, it is moved by the dealers because they have made enough orders of their liquidity from the hedge funds and the banks altogether. So here, what did we have? We have inverted head and shoulder altogether, but it is violated. So to iron out this one, you have to understand one principle. Where was the market from before making this inverted head and shoulder altogether? Where was it from? It was from this ends altogether. It was from this point altogether. So if the market was from these ends, this one becomes a continuation. There's one idea I would like us to share, which always triggers the doctrines of the trillion traders all over the globe. Are you getting altogether? So if we find the market has moved in this aspect, the market has three levels, major three levels: M, A, W, and WVVM. So we have M structure, around there. But how even do you know that this one is the aim and it is ready to move in my direction? We have one on a point, which I would like us to share and to mastermind. The last leg of M, we had a last red candle that was responsible for this high peak formation. The market broke that point, went, it finished that point. This is the what? That is the figure we have. Let me see, get you for. From this point, targeting from this point, the market has been dropping. So this the major thing I would like to have in our mind, not to mess up with the market as we are as it are traders. Targeting. So from this area, from that point, from this point, this last red can respond for that price. The market closed below that red candle. When did the spread to test that last red candle? There we confirm that we are in a reverse of the market. So where we get this inverted head and shoulder, this is the continuation of this point. Are getting so this one also, if you find that it has already left you, what you do, you just wait for it to give it even the last red candle that will respond for that point. You do what? Also, you trade it in this aspect. Are getting me? So from there, again you come on the third point, we get it. You have this point here. So all this one has been coming from this area. I getting from this point, when you have reached this point, it means that you have another journey to move. You have another journey to move the market to go down altogether. So even this point, we have the last radical response for this high peak formation. When the market has closed below, tested this figure, so the last red candle altogether. This is the last red candle. This one, have this one, and we have this one. So these are three major levels of the market. So this means if today the market is at this level, we expect it is expected to form a double for a reversal for a short period of time in a buy market. I get it all together. Reversal of a buy, because we have the first radical response of high peak formation is this one. We have the second. The second is here. This is the second. This is the second red candle. This is the third red candle. So for this one broken and tested, then you drop for the market out together. So if this one is like that, it implies that right now, if you have missed this move, the first move, you have the second move. Out together, you have the second move. And if you have missed one move, so it means you have the two moves, the next of trade. Are you together? So be in the market almost always, be in the market almost every time, every day, to understand how these red candles are formed and are traded. But try them on a demo account before you put your what? Your real money, or before you trade this strategy on the real money. Because tomorrow you're going to find when the market is reversing from another level, and then you trade your money like money and get whipped and say, oh, this man from Uganda taught us a very fake strategy of what and start cussing. No, please don't do that stuff. Start by visiting the market every day. I getting. If you miss London session, look for them in New York session. I getting. When you wake up on the London Open, look what has happened over the Asian session. If you find there is a high that has been formed over the Asian session, you wait for it, the market to come. Like market made this high over the Asian session, over the England, rather over the New York, over the Asian session. This is the New York session. This is Asian session altogether. So you look for how the market has moved over the Asian session, because even sometime during the Asian session, the market moves rapidly. In the morning, you think the market is going to go on the previous movement and then it reverses. But you don't just encounter the trend. Look for these candles, major and these candles. Look for the price action. I getting. Look for the price action. There's the indicators. They just confirm what the market is doing. But never trade the indicators alone. I argue never trade the indicators because they are lagging, confusing. Sometimes they give you the false movement. But if you know the price action and how the candles are formed, then you become a successful trader. Thank you very much for watching this video. Subscribe, put your comment on the comment section. Let me know what you want to understand. Let me know what is making you fail the market. I'll help you. My email is there, tumwinabita2019@gmail.com. Contact me. I shall help you where accordingly. Thanks very much for watching. Let me subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. Then I meet you on the second video. I'll be releasing two videos every week. Two videos every week on Sunday and on Wednesday. All together. Thanks for watching.